Good afternoon, you all. I am Evil Red Caboose, and yes, you are seeing me because I have gotten a free subscription box in the mail in exchange for an honest review. Now, this box happens to be from Vellabox.com, and I do like to give a little bit of information before I go ahead and open the box. So let me go ahead and grab my notes. Now, first of all, they are an all-natural artisan candle company subscription box based out of San Diego. They offer out high-quality, non-toxic, lead-free, and hand-poured candles. Each month they have their own theme with matching packaging and scents along to match the time of year. They partner with different brands each month for a special little bonus gift that you would happen to get in your box. And they do offer options to buy online from your favorite brands should you happen to find them through this subscription box without subscribing to a box through their candle shop. As I've told you again, or as I've told you before, they are a subscription box company. They are Vellabox.com, and they offer 3 options for monthly subscription boxes, 3 different sizes. So the first size is Lucerna. That is the $10 range, and you would happen to get a 4-ounce candle, and that gives you roughly 25 hours of burn time. The next step up from that is the $20 option, and that is Ignis. That gives you an 8-ounce candle, giving you 50 hours burn time. And then comes the Vivere at $30, and that gives you the option of a 4-ounce candle and an 8-ounce candle, giving you roughly 75 hours of burn time. And as I've mentioned, so without further ado, let's go ahead and open the box. That would be this one right here. Go ahead and bring this around here. Alright, so I do want to apologize for the change in lighting, but this is so we are able to see what is in the lovely Vellabox. So let's go ahead and get this opened, shall we? And this is how it comes. How cute is that? And this little card or tag here says, "What makes the desert beautiful is that somewhere it hides a well." So we are looking at, according to this, and a little saying, as well as that lovely packaging. That must be our candle. This must be a desert theme. So let me go ahead and grab this. And right now I can tell you I'm in love. I'm in love, love, love with the little bag packaging already. I just love the idea of cactus and succulents and the like. So let me go ahead and open this. Alright, so I've got it open, and it looks like the company is Vacant Wheel. And as you can see, as promised, a small batch artisan home fragrance studio hand pouring goodness in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. And we are looking at cactus flower. Flowering desert succulents. How lovely is that? There's the wick. And you guys, I can already smell it. I opened up the lid. I just took a quick whiff, and oh my goodness, it smells lovely. Oh, I wish you guys could smell it. Wish there was smell-o-vision. I wish, I wish, I wish. So it does look like that this is, let me see if they have the size of the candle here. Of course, your typical caution. And there, you guys, is the company out of Oklahoma City, Oklahoma at vacantwheel.com. I will go ahead and put that in the description when I am done here. Let's see here. Up there it is. 100% soy candle made with premium fragrance infused with essential oils. Braided cotton wick. Looks like phthalates free, lead free, petroleum free, and it's vegan. And it does look like I have the 8-ounce candle. So that being said, it does look like I have, according to my notes, the Ignis box. So it does look like I have the Ignis box. Alright. So it was promised that we did have a bonus, and yes we do. Little Natural Lip Ice Sunscreen by Hello Up. Perfect blend of science and nature. Infused with natural moisturizers and antioxidants. And of course this one is also paraben-free, oxybenzone-free, and it's SPF 15. So all the nasty stuff is out of that as well. That is so cute. That's a pretty good size too compared to my fingers. Look at that. Pretty good size of lip balm too. And we do have the information in here. And it does look like we do have the featured favorites, Vacant Wheel out of Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. And you can buy their candles at vacantwheel.com. And it does look like if you use the code Vellabox18 at checkout, you would get 20% off from Vacant Wheel. I will put that information down below in my description as well. And then it does look like you can find them socially. And it's a 100% soy wax candle hand poured with essential oil infused fragrances. And then like I said, it is phthalates free, lead free, petroleum free, and vegan. And it does look like we have cactus flower, fragrance notes of flowering desert succulents. Delight your senses with floral notes of peonies and sweet desert wildflower with a dash of succulent greenness. And then it also has the bonus gift of Aloe Up, Natural Lip Ice Sunscreen SPF 15. And they're out of Eden Prairie, Minnesota. You can buy it at aloeup.com. And if you happen to go to that page or that website, you can save 15% by using the code VELLA. And this unique blend of natural moisturizing oils and antioxidants glides on smooth, leaving your lips replenished, hydrated, and protected. Crafted with pure aloe vera gel organically grown and processed in the USA. So there's all that information, and again I will place both companies' information down on my description, as well as the information for the codes for the checkout of the two different. And that, my friends, was Vellabox. I do hope that you enjoyed this. If you did, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you would like to see more of these unboxings, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more of this and want to be notified, subscribe, click that little bell. And again, I absolutely love, 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 love the little packaging that the candle came in. And as I've said, I will go ahead and test the candle out, and I will let you know if the throw on the candle is just as nice as the smell coming off of it without lighting it. And to all my subscribers out there watching this, I do hope that you don't let darkness overcome, that you are the light to anyone who may cross your path, and have a fantastic rest of the day. Thank you.